Did you know a doorbell camera can record deliveries that never happened? Sarah noticed her camera captured the same delivery person every night at 3:17 a.m., dropping off packages that vanished by morning. The weird part? The delivery person looked exactly like her, just 20 years older, wearing clothes she'd never seen before. When Sarah finally managed to grab one of the phantom packages before it disappeared, she found divorce papers dated next year. The next night brought medical records showing a terminal diagnosis, then job termination letters. Finally, a death certificate with tomorrow's date on it. Panicking, Sarah tried to prevent each prediction. She surprised her husband with a romantic dinner to save her marriage, but he used the moment to confess his affair. She scheduled a doctor's appointment, only to discover the cancer during routine screening. Every action she took to change the future made it happen faster. That's when Sarah realized the horrible truth. Her future self was desperately traveling back in time to warn her, but receiving the warnings was what caused everything to come true.